So you just picked up the brand new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, and now you're like, what kind of accessories should I get for this? Well, today I got the top 5 must-have accessories for your brand new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. Kicking things off, you guys know that the brand new iPhone 12s and 12 Pros do not come with a charging brick anymore. Have no fear, I got you covered. Away with that gross old Apple 5-watt charging brick, and in with the brand new 20-watt Anker charging brick that is USB-C, because if you didn't know, that new cable that comes with your new iPhone is a USB-C to Lightning cable. I got you covered. The second must-have item on your list has to do with charging, and I actually got a twofer for you. First off, the brand new MagSafe cable. I highly recommend this. No, it's not necessary to charge the new iPhone, but yes, it's an awesome new wireless charging, Qi wireless charging that will work with your brand new iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 mini, 12 Max, but also with any Qi wireless charging phone. Yes, this can charge your other wireless charging devices. And because I know you're all gonna ask, what's this little cable management clip? Well, picked it up from Home Depot. They also sell it on Amazon. Link in the description below. I love using these little cable management clips. Keep my stuff nice and tidy. Now on that note of charging, a bonus tip, make sure you pick up a battery pack, because although battery life is better on these new phones, they say this basically every year, it is just slightly, and I still recommend a battery pack. I'll make sure to link a few of my favorite below, but this one I've had for over 8 years and it's still working great. The third item, arguably the most important, how can you get a brand new 12 or 12 Pro phone that costs hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, and not put a case on it to protect this beauty? Now, a lot of people hate cases because they like showing the natural beauty of this phone. Whether you're a case lover or a case hater, I think I got something that'll make both of you happy. Let's check it out. Shout out to Kadabi for sending their awesome line of cases over for me to check out. If you're like my brother and you hate cases because you're a phone purist and you just want to show off your expensive purchase and you don't want to put a bulky case on it, well, the Lucid Clear is perfect for you because it's a clear case that does not yellow. It's not cheap silicone, right? That's clear. This is actual plastic that is gonna protect your phone from those scratches that we have been seeing, all those micro scratches. This is gonna protect your phone, but keep it super minimal, super thin still. You can't even really tell there's a case there. And that's why I love the Lucid Clear. It's got tons of great cutouts, and unlike Apple's really gross clear case with a giant halo ring on the back and the bottom that doesn't even protect the bottom of your phone, and the best part, it's got super minimal logoing so you can keep that iPhone looking nice and pure, almost caseless. Now, if you're looking for just a little bit more protection, a little bit more grip, I love their sheath line. Over the years, it's always been my favorite. I love how grippy it is. These new colors are amazing. I especially like this green one. I thought I'd love the navy blue one the most, but this green is just so unique. The grippiness, the tactile buttons, I love how this case gives me the perfect minimalist protection, but also actually gives me some grip to hold on to, because we know these new iPhones, although the squared off design I love so much more, it's still pretty slippery. Price to quality, you straight up can't beat these Kadabi cases. Literally almost every single year I hate on the Apple cases, including this year's clear Apple case, but I'm actually gonna say that I love the brand new silicone Apple case. It's got a really good grippy texture. It actually protects 360 this year. However, the one thing I'll say about it is I don't love the grip as much as I love this one. This one's more of a textured grip and it just feels so much better. And these sheath cases feel slimmer than those Apple silicone cases, so I love that pocketability also. I feel like with cases nowadays, you gotta be crazy to not get a case that actually has a lip that goes over your phone screen so that if it lands face down like this, your screen's protected. And of course, the sheath has that lip design. Tons of colors for you to choose from. All links in the description below. Let's move on to the next item. Nope, not a wallet, but shout out to Bellroy. Loved their little leather wallets. Is this guy. This thing is one of my new favorite accessories. It's super easy to use, and the best part is it turns your phone into an instant awesome camera. I mean, the camera's already great on the new iPhone 12s, we all know this, but this gives you a little tripod, it's adjustable, you can watch at all different angles, you can do time lapses, you can do video recording, you can set photos for timers, and instead of trying to lean it on salt shakers and random things around the world, now you got a little tripod always with you, slim enough, tiny enough to fit in your wallet. I love this thing. Last but not least, must-have accessory number 5 is some sort of audio listening device. Mine of choice is, of course, AirPods. I got black AirPods, I got regular AirPods, I got AirPods Pro. obviously I'm a fan. But what you need to understand is media consumption is amazing on the new 12s and the 12 Pros, and you don't want to be caught without one of these. I'm not biased towards Apple. I have Bose products, I have Sony products. I love all different kinds of earbuds, wireless headphones, earphones, anything out there, but I haven't found anything that just works as well or connects as easily as Apple's dedicated AirPods. And that makes sense because they actually make them. These are my personal top 5 must-have accessories for your brand new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. Obviously this can apply to the 12 Pro Max or the 12 Mini. Drop a comment below, let me know what's your favorite item from this list, or what's one item that you personally can't live without for your brand new iPhone 12, or maybe your old phone that you also have. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Jerry Lane with NoobTech. To the next one and beyond.
Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world.